Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline in the long wheelbase. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The van also comes with a DSG automatic gearbox. This example comes finished in the solid paint colour candy white, and across the front of the vehicle it features twin chrome stripes across the radiator grille, as well as having a colour coordinated front bumper. The front bumper also features a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. The van also comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we can see that the van comes with the rear-loading barn doors. The vehicle features some transporter badging as well as a rear-view camera located just below the VW badge. The van also benefits from having a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the doors and into the load area of the vehicle, the load area comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. There is an increased storage size in the rear of this transporter, as it is the long wheelbase format, and the van also features twin sliding side load doors, allowing access from either side of the vehicle. There is a full steel black bulkhead separating the load area from the cab, as well as a step on either side allowing access. In the front cab there is a singular seat for the driver, complete with 2 armrests. Next to this there is a twin-seater passenger bench with some underseat storage. All the seats are finished in the bricks woven fabric upholstery, providing comfort on those long drives, as well as plenty of leg space for the driver along with the 2 front passengers. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows the users to access all their favourite FM, AM as well as DAB radio stations. Users can also opt to connect with the App Connect feature, allowing them to connect their smartphone device to the system using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Once the reverse gear has been selected, the rear view camera feed will also display on this colour touchscreen. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Further down to the left there is a 12V and 2 USB-C charging points, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.